My name is Melissa Trimmer. I'm the corporate executive chef here at Dawn Foods. Today we're making orange sunshine cake. This awesome seasonal cake has all the flavors of an orange creamsicle, but it's even better because it's a cake. First, I start with Baker's Request white cake mix that we flavored with orange fruit bits. Then I filled the cake with Dawn cream cheese filling made with real cream cheese. And finally, I've crumb coated. Here what we've done is we've taken white Dawn buttercream and we've flavored it with an orange emulsion. This color though doesn't come from a gel color. This is using our Dawn orange buttercream mixed with a little white buttercream to tone it back a bit. Let's get started decorating. We'll start by placing more icing on the cake than we need. And then we'll slide it down the top. Then we lay buttercream in the sides of the cake. Again, adding in more than we really need. Bring the top down one more time. Clean the bottom if there's a little extra, which I have. And now we'll start working with a hot knife to clean up the sides and smooth ice. If there are any holes or imperfections, quickly go back and fix them without taking too much time because you don't want the buttercream to crust in between. Clean up the bottom. And then go back in and clean up the top, making sure to hit that top edge. Our first decoration is using light green buttercream. I'm using a large leaf tip, and I'll kind of create a kelp forest design on the sides of the cake. We'll go around the cake once, and then a second time to layer in the design, making sure that the design kind of goes in different directions so it feels really organic. For the second round, layer. And you can see now the designs on the sides are complete. Next, we're going to lift the cake up, take it over to the sprinkles, and hit the bottom edge with them. I like using a wide bowl so that the sprinkles can fall back in to be used later. Now we'll place the top border. We're going to use rosettes in the same orange. I'll put 12 in, always starting with the area next to me. So 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 and 3, and then I will fill in after that. After the rosettes are on, we're going to place more sprinkles in the center. Here's the key. You don't simply take the sprinkles and put them on the cake. Because if you use this motion, you could easily drop sprinkles on these pretty decorated sides that don't need any. So every time you do this motion, one hand goes underneath, like this. And this way, if you drop any, they fall to your hand, not on the cake. And now we have sprinkles only where we want them. Now we're going to finish garnishing the cake. I'm using these super fun little meringue pops. I've made them using our Dawn meringue filling. It's super easy, just add water. I'm gonna point this towards myself so I can see where the placements are. 3 always looks better than 2, or odd numbers in that case. So I'm placing 3 meringue pops on top, and then a couple of orange slices around to finish garnishing. And voila, an orange sunshine cake. For more cake inspiration, visit us at dawnfoods.com.